Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where every bite is delicious and guilt-free. Today, we're making a smooth chocolatey treat that's perfect for your low-carb lifestyle. Keto Chocolate Cottage Cream Cups. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add your 200 grams of cottage cheese. Then, add 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa, 3 tablespoons of stevia, 10 grams of vanilla powder, and 3/4 cup almond milk. Now, take a hand blender and mix everything together until completely smooth. We want a silky texture with no lumps, just creamy chocolate goodness. Pour the mixture evenly into serving cups or jars of your choice, then let them chill in the fridge for about 1 hour. This will help them set into a thick, creamy dessert you'll love. Once chilled, serve as is or top with a sprinkle of cocoa and some crushed almonds or coconut flakes for extra texture. And there you have it, rich, chocolatey creamy goodness without the carbs. Perfect for a keto dessert or anytime snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a delicious moment here at Heaven's Kitchen. See you in the next one.